Today, we're talking about biologicals and how we use biologicals to maximize soybean yield potential. At Corteva Biologicals, we are taking an approach that yield performance is a program-based. We call it the start, the growth, the finish. We want to protect that yield throughout the season. So we start our program for soybeans with BioForge Advance. BioForge Advance is a proprietary formulation for Corteva Biologicals. It's a 301, so 3% nitrogen, 1% potassium, and it has molybdenum and cobalt as well. It is very strong in terms of stress mitigation, but most importantly, early on, when you put it in furrow, it's close to the seed. It's gonna allow that even germination, even emergence. It's gonna start promoting that vigorous root system, and it's gonna set that plant for success. Now we continue with second application at the herbicide timing. So we are using BioForge Advance. Again, the combination here with Excite, which is a cytokinin-based product, is twofold. One is a stress mitigation, but also cytokinin is going to help with that branching. It promotes branching where it actually is going to increase the yield potential of the crop because we're going to have more nodes, we're going to have more potential pods and seeds in the future. So it is important to continue this stress mitigation from the beginning, from the start, from the growth, to set up that plant with the highest yield potential that we can in preparation for that reproductive stage on the finish. Now we got to the finish part of the program. Here, the goal is to be able to protect yield, but also to maximize the sugars from the leaves going into the seed. So we're using a couple of products for stress mitigation. We're using Excite. It's gonna help us prevent flower, pod, and seed abortion. The next one is Sugar Mover Premier. This product also has cytokinin, but because we want cytokinin to also help us move sugars from the source to the sink, it also has boron and molybdenum. All of that to be able to make that sugar movement more efficient between the source and the sink. The combination of these two goes alongside a fungicide application on soybeans. We're trying to piggyback those crop protectant applications to make it more efficient and have a better return on investment for the grower. The beauty about these products are very flexible. It can be anywhere between R1 to R3, so there's plenty of timing. It's gonna bring that yield to the next level for our growers. And our goal is to protect yield every day, and there's plenty that we can do with this advanced management tool.